Generally speaking, one Chinese character corresponds to one syllable. Chinese characters are made up of strokes, just like English words are made up of letters. Strokes are the smallest units of Chinese characters. When writing a character, the trace of a line or dot left on the writing surface by the movement from pen down to pen up is called a stroke. Usually, the more strokes a character has, the more complicated it is. You can see here the character with one stroke and the character with 64 strokes, how different their writings are. The direction in which a stroke is written is usually left to right, top to bottom. For example, the two strokes here are written horizontally from left to right and vertically from top to bottom. In this video, we will talk about the most frequently used strokes in Chinese written characters. The first stroke or 笔画 in Chinese is 横, 横. 横 means horizontal. It's written as a horizontal line. The horizontal stroke or 横 is written from left to right. The example characters are 一, 二, 三, which means 1, 2, 3. The character 一 is made up of one horizontal stroke. The character 二 is made up of two horizontal strokes, and 三 is made up of three horizontal strokes. The strokes are written from left to right, top to bottom. This stroke written as a vertical line is called 竖. 竖. 竖 means vertical. It's written from top to bottom. The example character 十 means 10. Its first stroke is horizontal and its second stroke is vertical. The character 工 means work, labor. Its first stroke is horizontal, its second stroke is vertical, and its third stroke is horizontal again. The left following stroke is called 撇 in Chinese. 撇. The left following stroke or 撇 is written from top to bottom. The example character 人 means human. Its first stroke is left following 撇. The character 八 means 8. Its first stroke is left following 2. The stroke dot is called 点 in Chinese. 点. 点 is written from left to right, top to bottom. The example character 不 means no. Its last stroke is 点. The character 六 means 6. Its first stroke is 点, and its last stroke is 点 too. The right following stroke is called 捺. 捺. The right following stroke or 捺 is written from top to bottom, left to right. The example character 大 means big. The last stroke of 大 is right following. The character 天 means sky. The last stroke of 天 is right following too. The horizontal turning stroke is called 横折 in Chinese. 横折. It's written from top to bottom, left to right. The example character 口 means mouth. The second stroke of 口 is horizontal turning, 横折. The character 日 means the sun. Its second stroke is 横折, horizontal turning. The vertical turning stroke is called 竖折 in Chinese. 竖折. It's written from top to bottom, left to right. The character 山 means mountain. The character 出 means to go out. The vertical hook stroke is called 竖钩 in Chinese. 竖钩. The example character 丁 means man. The second stroke of 丁 is vertical hook. The character 小 means small. The horizontal turning hook stroke is called 横折钩. 横折钩. Again, you can see that it's written from top to bottom, left to right. The example character 门 means door. The last stroke of 门 is 横折钩. The Chinese character 月 means moon. The second stroke of 月 is 横折钩, horizontal turning hook. The stroke line hook or 握钩 in Chinese is written from left to right, top to bottom. The character 心 means heart. The second stroke of 心 is line hook. The character 你 means you in implied form. It also contains 握钩. The stroke vertical curved hook or 竖弯钩 is written from top to bottom, left to right. The character 七 means 7. The second stroke of 七 is 竖弯钩. The character R means sun. The second stroke of R is 竖弯钩. The stroke horizontal turning curved hook is called 横折弯钩. 横折弯钩. It's written from top to bottom, left to right. The character 9 means 9. The second stroke of 9 is 横折弯钩. The character 几 means how many. The second stroke of 几 is 横折弯钩. The stroke horizontal to left falling or 横撇, 横撇 is written from left to right, top to bottom. The character 水 means water. The second stroke of 水 is 横撇. The character 又 means again. The stroke left falling to dot is called 撇点 in Chinese. 撇点. The example character 女 means female. The first stroke of 女 is 撇点. The character 好 means good. The first stroke of 好 is 撇点. The stroke left falling to turning is called 撇折 in Chinese. 撇折. The character 么 is a suffix. The second stroke of 么 is 撇折. The character 东 means east. The second stroke of 东 is 撇折. The stroke slanting hook is called 斜钩. 斜钩. The character 我 means I, me. It contains 斜钩 in its written form. The character 钱 means money. Inside its written form, it also contains the slanting hook stroke. The stroke rising is called 提 in Chinese. 提. The character 我 also contains 提 stroke. The character 打 means to beat. Inside its written form, it also contains 提, the rising stroke. When we write Chinese characters, we follow some rules of stroke order. The rules are horizontal preceding vertical, left falling preceding right falling, which are exemplified by the character 10, which means 10, and the character 人, which means human. You can see that when we write the character 10, we write the horizontal stroke first and then the vertical stroke. When we write the character 人, we write the left falling stroke first and then the right falling stroke. Top preceding bottom, left preceding right, which are exemplified by the character 3, which means 3, and the character 8, which means 8. We write the strokes from top to bottom, from left to right. And lastly, outside preceding inside, middle preceding sides, which are exemplified by the character 日, which means sun, and the character 水, which means water. When we write the character 日, we write the outside strokes first, and then the inside strokes. When we write the character 水, we write the strokes in the middle first, and then the stroke on the sides. In summary, there are 6 rules of stroke order: horizontal preceding vertical, left falling preceding right falling, top preceding bottom, left preceding right, outside preceding inside, middle preceding sides.